If I showed you an image of your skin under a microscope, could you tell me how old you are?
How, given the crazy things that have happened, has life persisted?
What new, unfamiliar, exotic phases of matter are out there that we haven't even imagined or conceived?
The Schmidt Science Polymaths program seeks to empower some of the most promising, recently tenured, intensely creative researchers to be more adventurous, to experiment with new methodologies, go into new disciplines, and hopefully lead to incredible breakthroughs.
The structure of this award is very simple. They have access to a significant amount of funding to do anything that isn't their basic bread and butter main research line.
Traditional funding mechanisms really don't incentivize moving into new areas.
Normally, you have to do the same thing over and over. You get funding for what you already did. You need to show preliminary results.
But the Polymath Award is centered upon scientific freedom. It's what one thinks about when they think about research is, following the flow of the science.
I think what's critical about the Polymath Award is that it empowers researchers like myself who might have an idea but don't necessarily have the infrastructure, the people, or preliminary data to be able to venture into those new areas.
To be able to say, wow, that's incredible, I want to chase this and see what happens. And I have the backing to do it, I have the resources to do it.
Over the last year, we've developed a state-of-the-art plant culture room.
We've started to bring in people who can make us new chemical building blocks, as well as people with more in-depth biology experience.
We've done infectious diseases, but to go to poultry, to use video footage, this was something that we hadn't even thought about. And the Polymath Award gave us the confidence to see if it works.
We really do expect some groundbreaking, dogma-changing, new ways to do science.
What we need in science is people from outside of the field. We need them to come in and innovate.
One forgets that the aim is to discover. One forgets the aim is to make a breakthrough to change the world. That's really what science research is about. With the Polymath Award, for the first time, I feel like I can do that.
We're doing very risky work, and the support from the program helps us stick with this risky research, really trying to be the best scientists we can.